I'm Kirsten, and I'm going to introduce you to Phone. Phone's going to show you some tricks today. Aren't you, Phone? He's real excited. Come on, Phone. Are you ready to show him some tricks? Are you ready to show him some tricks? Okay. Okay, Phone, are you ready? Speak. Oh, come on, Phone. You can do better than that. Whoa! Okay, way to go, Phone. Okay, what's another trick Phone could do? Oh, Phone, you ready for this next one? You ready? Okay, roll over. Very good, Phone. Okay, Phone, now play dead. Oh, very good. You're such a good little Phone. You're such a good little Phone. Ow! Phone's got one more trick he wants to show you. Phone can also fly out the window. Fly, Phone! Fly! Ooh! Guess he hasn't gotten the flying part down yet.